Okay, now this is really amazing. This is proof of the Haarp downburst killing this hurricane. This is Hurricane Norbert, and this is the Haarp transmitter, and this is Baja, California here. So this is earlier in the day, September 6, 2014. Here's at dusk on the west coast, and you can see, you know, it still looks like it's a hurricane, but this is photoshopped. This is photoshopped. Let me show you the water vapor mode. Here's earlier on, and we can see just for a short time it had an eye. And this water is 82 to 84 degrees right here. This thing should have a strong eye and be a small, compact hurricane. It's a Category 2 right now, 110 mile an hour. Now here we go, the later view. This is a few hours later. Now we can see suddenly a dark area, which means dry air, showing up here. And if we look at the vertical velocity map, we can see at 5,000 feet, what do we see? The oddest thing in the whole world. This is the proof. Here's Hurricane Norbert being split. Red is rising air, yellow is rising air, gray is falling air. This hurricane is being split right in two by falling air. And that is the Haarp downburst. They heat an area in the ionosphere 90 miles up, and it expands so fast it's like a balloon popping, and it presses air down. And that's at 5,000 feet altitude. Here's at 10,000 feet altitude. 10,000 feet, we can still see rising air, falling air right in the middle. This is Baja, California here. You can see the outline here, this straight line. Here is 15,000 feet. Wow. This is proof of the Haarp downburst. This is the best proof ever. Red is rising air, falling air, right down the middle of a hurricane. How in the hell does that happen? 30,000 feet. Rising air, descending air right in the middle of this thing. Again, here's this point on Baja. Here's the coastline. This is the core of the hurricane right here. And this descending dry air from the Haarp transmitter right up here explains why the water vapor map is showing this dark zone right here. Okay? This is the dry air being pressed down by the Haarp transmitter right in the core of this hurricane. So by Sunday, September 7th, this hurricane will be pretty much blown apart, because, you know, it's so close to the Haarp transmitter now. They're going to hit this full power all night long. And even though this water is 82 to 84 degrees right in here, they're going to blow it apart. It's going to be, and the rest of the world will not even notice it. And I'm really thinking that they're doing it on a weekend because, well, number one, they've got this multi-billion-dollar facility up here. They do not want this thing raking over the top with 100-mile-an-hour winds. But number two, they think that the world is not watching. You know, Saturday, Sunday, we're going to wipe it out. Nobody's watching. The meteorologists are home watching football. So this is utterly amazing. This is how you kill a Category 2 hurricane with a Haarp transmitter. Thanks.